So that's again a very good question, Pooja. Uh, if that is the case, then more people will go for the forward contract, and less people will go for the options. Ultimately in business, our aim and objective is to minimize the risk. In case of the forward, you have different advantages. The major advantage that you have in case of the forward is that they are customized. Options can also be customized, but options are more standardized products, whereas फॉरवर्ड कैन बी कस्टमाइज. तो फॉरवर्ड जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो आपके हिसाब से आप बैंक के साथ में बात करके स्ट्रक्चर कर सकते हैं. वेर एज फ्यूचर है या ऑप्शन है, उसकी स्टैंडर्ड टर्म्स हैं. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि आपका पर्पज अगर ऑप्शन से सर्व हो रहा है या फ्यूचर से सर्व हो रहा है, then you go for the option or the future. But if your purpose is not getting served by the option or future, and if it is getting served by signing the forward contract, because your requirements are completely different, so then you have to talk to the bank, negotiate with the bank the terms and conditions for the forward contract, and that's where you will use the forward contract. So it's not that one product is better than the other. Is ultimately all the products are to be used by the user depending on as to what their requirements are.